In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and edit middle footage in CapCut. Once your project is open, take a look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Find the track that contains the clip whose middle section you want to cut out. We'll use the playhead, the vertical line that shows your current position, to mark the unwanted section. First, move the playhead to the exact beginning of the part you want to remove. When you're lined up, click the split icon located above the timeline. This creates a cut at that point so the clip is divided. Next, move the playhead to the end of the portion you don't need. Again, click the split icon. You now have three segments: the beginning you're keeping, the middle you're removing, and the ending you're keeping. Click the middle segment to select it, then press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. Don't worry, splitting and deleting the selected segment is a safe, common edit. You're not erasing the rest of your project, just removing that specific part. You'll see a gap where the middle used to be. To close it, drag the latter part of the clip to the left until it snaps against the first part. This creates a seamless cut between the two remaining sections. If you prefer, instead of closing the gap, you can place a different piece of media in that space, maybe a B-roll shot, a graphic, or another clip you've already imported. If you've added a new media clip in the middle, click it to bring up its properties panel in the top right corner. This is where you can refine how that insert looks and feels so it matches your edit. Under video, you can make core visual tweaks. The sound tab lets you control audio for that clip, so it blends well with the rest of your timeline. Speed allows you to create slow motion or time-lapse effects to emphasize or condense action. Animation offers in and out motions to help the new clip appear or exit smoothly. Adjust gives you control over look and tone, helping the insert match your main footage. AI Stylize applies creative styles if you want a more distinctive treatment. Explore each tab to see how the changes affect your clip in real time. Preview often and make small, deliberate adjustments until the middle insert fits naturally with your surrounding shots. And that's the entire process. Split at the start and end of the unwanted section, delete the middle, close the gap or add a replacement, then use the properties panel to refine that inserted clip. With these steps, you'll have a clean, professional edit in minutes.